Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Quran app into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, I will show you how you can download it. So first go to your Microsoft Store and maximize it. So after coming on Microsoft Store, just come over the search option and search for Quran. You can see. I click enter. And after that, here you'll find a lot of Quran app over here. So here you can see there are a lot of Quran app you can see over here. So the most rated app is Al Quran Tafsir by Word. It's 4.7 rating star. So if you click on that, and here you will get an option called Get. Click on that and it will automatically download your Al Quran into your Windows. So it will take some seconds. I will get you after the download. And here you can see this download is completed over here, and if we now click on open, the Al Quran will be open into our Windows. Here you can see. So if your Microsoft Store is crashed into your Windows, you just completely go for you can go for the web browser and come over the search option and search for Quran for PC and click enter. And by this, you can click on the first link, or you can go for this Quran Windows free download and install on Windows, the Microsoft sections. So if we now click on that, so here you can see the Quran Windows you can see over here from the Microsoft Store. So you can click on download and you can install it in Windows operating system for free. So this is how you can download Quran into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.